How to remove account on YouTube. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from App Guide. In today's guide video, I'll simply show you the way as to how you can remove your YouTube account. So make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, if you're talking about your YouTube application, you have your Google account located and you want to unsync this Google account from YouTube account. Well, let me tell you that YouTube and Google account are basically the same account because YouTube is owned by Google, and as long as you have a Google account, you have a YouTube channel and you have YouTube account, you have access to all the YouTube streams and services. But if you want to sign out, then there isn't the option to remove the account from the YouTube app. You have to remove the Google account from your phone itself. So if you're on iOS, you have to remove your Google account on iOS. If you're on Android, you have to remove the Google account on Android. But if you remove the Google account on Android, obviously you will not be able to use Google applications such as Google Play Store, Google Messages, and so on. So you just have to bear that in mind. But after knowing all of this as well, you want to remove your account, then let's get started with the process. Just open up settings, scroll down to the bottom, go to the option called accounts and backup over here. In your case, it could be written something different such as manage accounts. So I'm just going to select the option called manage accounts. You just have to go to the page where it will show you a list of all of the accounts that are added to your Android phone. So let's say that this is the account that is connected with my YouTube and my YouTube application, because this is a Google account you can see at gmail.com. Just tap on it and tap on the button called remove account. When you remove Google account, it is also going to be signed out from YouTube. Keep in mind that you won't be able to post a comment and do anything once you sign out of your YouTube account as well. Hope this video helped you and at least gave you some insights about the deletion of the YouTube account as well as removing them from your YouTube app. We hope the video was really helpful. If it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel, and if you have any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching and see you soon in our next video.